Okay, number 15, you're trying to match the statement that goes along with this scenario. It says you must be at least 4 years old and younger than 12 to play in the bouncy castle. Which statement represents this scenario? So we'll just look at each part. It says you must be at least 4 years old. So to be at least 4 years old, we're going to say your age is X. X has to be greater than or equal to 4. It also says and. So and you have to be younger than 12. So younger than 12. There's a lot of signs on things like bouncy castles where they have stuff like this. That means you, for this one, you can't be 12. Otherwise, they would have said 12 and younger or something like that. So younger than 12. So X has to be less than 12. So what I just wrote down, X is greater than or equal to 4 and X is less than 12, is acceptable, but it's not one of the choices listed. We need to be okay with the fact that this X greater than or equal to 4, written in pink, is the same as 4 less than or equal to X. The small part of the symbol is by the 4 on both problems. The large part of the symbol is by the X on both problems, or both statements. And so that means the same thing. Because of that, we can put this together and say that kind of a statement that should make sense is that your age has to be between 4 and 12. We write that as a and compound inequality solution that I wrote in orange. 4 is less than or equal to X, which is less than 12. That orange statement says the same thing that the pink and blue statement says.